I want to tell you about the 3G My Life, which I am doing the course in 3G IRPS IIT Madras Research Park. When I was sitting idly in this pandemic, I came to know that 3G My Life, they are conducting some event. So I have participated there. One of in the social media, I got to know. The event was in the August 8, 9, 10. It was the largest career guidance digital conference out there, national wide. So there I have participated, and I got to know that they are giving a very good course, and I have joined there. Near about 20 days are over. But one thing I want to tell you that here we are not only the course we are going to learn. So many things which are going to learn. Before 20 days, I know about the social media, that's all. But how we can use it, not only for the uploading the pic or writing a course, for the career also, how to market our business or to know ourselves to the society. So this all I have learned, and still more are there. Yes, you have what you heard, that is absolutely correct. It is not a theory basis, it is a practical based. Daily we'll be having a curiosity that what will be the next day, what will be the tomorrow. So daily one of the one practical section activities will be there, which is more interesting to do. My course is going to be complete. Then also I am thinking that I want to stay here to learn more things. Very friendly mentors are there. Our chairman, our CEO, Dr. Maharaja sir, Tamilishan sir, Nandini madam, all are very friendly. Whatever the doubts you are going to ask, they will be clear. If the in the pics, the pictures are in the collage stage, they will frame it in a clear way. This what I want to give an example. So if anybody interested, you can join this course. It is completely very interesting, not theory based. It's a practical way. You can learn soon. Thank you all. See you.